Good guys. So I was just scrolling on my phone, looking to buy a new car, and I see this Hellcat wide body, and it costs 30,000, I guess. And yeah, I don't know, but well. It cost 30,000, but they said I can trade my truck. So let's go do that. There's my logo. Okay. Alright. That door is creepy. This is my Chevy Silverado. And luckily, I'm down the street from the dealership. Isn't that great? Truck. Oh, it's a red light. Oops. Ow. Alright, let me just go. Who is this guy in the Nissan just sitting in a, whatever. There goes the dealer nip. I gotta find the car. Where is it? Oh, there's one Hellcat. I'll pick it up later. I forgot to read the schedule. I have to pick it up later. But yeah. Silverado. Oh, I'm speed. I was fine for speed. Oh no! Damn, I cannot drive. I might just become a trucker. Alright, let's join this job. This is trucker? Oh, hurry up and load. Alright. Alright, so what do we have here? We have my Christmas truck. It's not loading, which kind of sucks, but it's Roblox, so I'm not surprised. And yeah. Jobs. Nah, I'm already rich. I don't need that much. Honestly, I'm kind of like mid. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. This is not how I connect my trailer, but good enough. Let's go. What does the interior look like? Oh no, nope, it's broken. It's broken. We got lights on our trailer. Excuse me. We got lights on the truck. And yeah. Oh, watch. I wish I could have raced in this truck, which I can, but yeah. Let me just skirt my way down the road. Yeah, that's a nice race. Alright, let's just go. Ew, what in the world? The exhaust is cursed. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah, I have to chill out. This thing cannot turn. Turns out I can't go that fast in this thing. I mean, of course, it's a semi truck. Oh my, that was a steep hill. Uh-oh. Yeah, I told you this thing can't turn. Whee! Oh my god, I almost hit the sign. I'm gonna hit these signs! Oh, how? I'm just having fun in this game, doing whatever. Watch out, I'm in a big Coca-Cola truck coming through that Christmas theme, but it's not even Christmas. It passed Christmas. Should play this game at Christmas time, to be honest. The barn. Me driving like a dummy. Alright. Oh my god. Oh, I was about to say the map wasn't loading. Let me go ahead and take this early turn. I don't need a turn. Yo, I just got some air. I felt it. Uh oh, we better hit the house. Oh, we hit the house. Let's drive down this road. We going 85 miles per hour. Which kind of sucks, to be honest. Bridge. Oh, let's see what can happen on this. Oh. No air time. Oh, I saw just a tiny little bit. Oh, my game